Risk factors include older age, poor nutrition, reduced blood flow, paralysis and muscle spasms. Investigations were launched by Eastern Health and Department of Health and Human Services last year, but no definitive cause of the pressure injuries at Box Hill has been established, including if the design of the beds could be to blame. An Eastern Health spokeswoman said hospitals' management of pressure injuries met national standards. However, additional preventative measures have been introduced since last year to protect patients. These include barrier wipes to maintain skin condition, silicone dressings, and wedges, boots and additional pillows to protect our patients' heels. An Eastern Health spokeswoman said, since implementing these extensive further measures in February, Eastern Health has not identified any incidences of serious pressure injuries related to these beds. The spokeswoman said that Box Hill Hospital treated more than 100,000 patients during the time the pressure injuries developed. Investigations into the cause of the injuries is ongoing, while the 53 patients who could have been affected have been recently contacted. The new beds are set to cost about $5,000 each. Australian guidelines recommend that all patients are assessed for their risk of developing pressure sores as soon as possible after hospital admission. Hospitals are also encouraged to perform routine skin checks on patients. A 2015 study estimated there were more than 120,000 cases of pressure injuries in Australian hospitals each year, costing close to $1 billion.